pork was Selassie best meat. Me nah ask if Selassie no proud of me anyway him rascal at the end of the world. Me nah ask. All Bob Marley must proud of me. Me see so that's why reggae go down. Before me even go there so. That's why you see reggae go on so. Reggae get weak because most Rasta don't eat meat. Vegetable alone can't do it. Saying for example, Selassie I did say lion him represent. Me see ladder Rasta out there with the red, green and gold flag I say lion pan it. Lion no feed pan vegetable alone, you know, brother. You have to know that, you know. So in order to keep healthy and strong, vegetable alone cannot do it because vegetable open your appetite. You're gonna need local meat. Couple months back, me do a video, me not tell no found say me feed pan vegetable and I walk with bucket of water up bubble oil and fell down, you know, brother. I end up in a coma for like 5 or 6 months, you know, remember exactly. Last all my memory, you know, brother. Because I wasn't eating healthy, I was only eating vegetable alone, and that's not enough. Lion no feed pan grass alone, you know, brother. And when me start eat local chicken and local beef and local pork, me end up get pitney, you know, brother. As some me get strong and start put on local weight, you know, brother. As some me start put on local weight, so just imagine how me did skinny before, if he didn't have vegetable alone. That's why I can't tell a man, say, Selassie, I proud of me. As skinny as Selassie was, he was strong, brother. Wasn't weak because he wasn't eating vegetable alone. He was eating meat too. Remember, you know, chicken was Bob Marley's favorite meat. Oh.